Welcome back to the channel, creators. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a full application in just one click using MGX, one of the most powerful AI app builders online right now. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this guide is all you need. Let's get started. First, go to the MGX website at www.mgxai.com. If you already have an account, click Sign In at the top right. You can log in using your Google, GitHub, or email account. If you're new, click Sign Up instead, it only takes a minute. If you're switching accounts or starting fresh, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Sign Out. Then log in again with the correct account. Now here's the magic part. MGX runs on AI prompts, so you'll need to write a clear description of the app you want. Think of this as telling a developer what to build. Be specific about what the app does, who it's for, what platform you want it on, like web, mobile, or desktop, and any features you want to include like login, dashboard, chat, or database. For example, you might write, build a responsive web app for tracking daily habits. It should include user authentication, a dashboard to add and delete habits, visual progress charts, and dark mode support. The more specific you are, the better the output. Once your prompt is ready, paste it into the MGX prompt box and hit enter or click Generate App. MGX will now process the prompt. In just a few seconds, it will start building your application. Once it's done, you can preview the app, check the code, and even deploy it directly from the platform. Want to make some changes? MGX allows you to tweak the app on the spot. You can edit the interface, update the text, or adjust the layout right in the visual editor or directly in the code. When you're happy with it, you can export, share, or deploy your app with just one more click. Here's a quick tip: save your best prompts so you can reuse them or turn them into templates for future projects. This can really speed up your workflow. And that's it. You just built a full app with a single click using MGX. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more no-code and AI tutorials every week. Drop your app ideas in the comments and I might feature them next. Until next time, keep creating and let the AI do the heavy lifting.